friends. This is kind of part 3 of my bench build, or maybe it's just a standalone stool-only build. You decide. So this is just concentrating on building the 2, I guess they'd be called Adirondack stools. They're meant to go with the chairs. So as you'll see as we go on, they're sloped in the same way that the chair is. And then you can use them in the way that I do when at the end of the video when you see me sitting down, or in the thumbnail there. Or you can flip them around and have them go the other way, so your feet's kind of going flat on them. I like them the first way, but everyone at the camp when we were looking at them liked them the other way. So I'm definitely in the minority. Either way, though, they're pretty comfy, and having them sloped like that really matches the chair well. Even if the colors I chose don't. I was just determined to get all 4 of the colors I had in on this project. Please, if you get a chance, hit that subscribe button. And the next couple of videos I do, I'm going to put in more detail around the measurements and the how-to, as opposed to just kind of an overview video like the last couple have been. I hope you enjoy this, and let's get building.